She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day. But she asked for something.
Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Okay, so right now I'm in the shopping mall. I'm trying to get some stuff. I'm going to this Mimiso. It's a Chinese shop. They have like cheaper stuff for household, and also I want to go check out for some cups and any other little things I need. I'll be checking them out in the shop. Okay, so if you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica Trenovek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If you're interested in my lifestyle and all, please do well to subscribe, like, share and comment. So far, this is what the shops have. They have so many things for family. Okay, so this place where I am right now, I'm in Jabi Lake Mall in Abuja, Nigeria. So just in case you are passing by Abuja, you can check out this shop. You will get some amazing stuff right here. So please keep on watching.
Think we would be loving for another day, but she asked for something more.
So when people's cup, like glass cup, people have glass cup, right? Cup, yeah, mug. Cup. Okay, thank you. 1 9. Maybe that's one less. No, not this one. I like this color. Okay. Oh, don't have white. Need white. See if I see shake for myself. Oh, nice. Let's see if we see fake for you, baby. It's for your room. Yeah, hold it. Hold it. It's for your room. Let's see another stuff. You cannot carry it. A spoon. Yeah. Leave it. Mama is not picking this. What's that? Yeah, Spider-Man. Yeah, Spider-Man. Do you know where you're going to? You're just taking me along. There's no spoon for you. No, I should buy it. Wait, I don't like it. Do you like this one? Me, yeah. See this one? Yeah, you like it? No? Okay, so let me inside the bag. Let's ask them how much it is, okay? So guys, when I was done with the Mimiso, I went to this other shop right here to pick up packer for baby girl and also a slippers, and they told me that they don't like people filming their shop. So I just picked up the packer and left. But I don't understand why some business owners don't know that we content creators are indirectly promoting your business for you without you paying us money, because when we vlog your business and we post it on our channel, people get to watch it and they see what they like. They might use our video to trace your shop. Yeah, so Right now, I'm just going to go to ShopRite to pick few things I don't have in the house. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please keep on watching.
When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher, you take me higher, babe.
So guys, I got to this area. I was looking for some green pepper and red bell pepper and the rest, but I noticed that it was quite on a high price because ShopRite is meant to be on a cheaper rate, but I don't know what's going on anyway. So I just picked up some spinach because I needed some spinach. Then I'll move to the next aisle to check few stuff I need to put back in the house.
You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, yeah. You take me higher, baby. Live a little, that is what they said when you turned around and left for good. But the taste is bitter, lonely in my bed, keep thinking about what we once had. It's true, but it's hard to get over such a beautiful lie. When I still want you closer, I am longing for closure, and I'm wondering why. No, no matter what I do, I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you. I keep on, I keep on, I keep on.
So if I'm right here, I want to pick up some milk and I saw this particular milk. I was like, okay, let me give this a try. Yeah, juice. So I got to their meat section and oh my god, the meat was so high. Like I thought ShopRite was say they said special price. Which kind of special price? This was so high. So right now I'm paying. I'll go to another store to pick up the meat. Yeah. So right now I'm just going to be paying and heading home to the next shop.
Overplaying pattern of memory hides your true face. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it, You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me, no matter.
So guys, we are done shopping. These are all the stuff I got. I got tissue, chicken breast, much chicken breast, just to add to the ones I already have. Minced meat and beef, then sausage, cornflakes. I got wine. I got juice, coconut oil, butter, cheese, ham, spaghetti, Banty, and apple, spinach, yeah, and sunlight that is for washing clothes. And I also got this milk. I said, let me give it a try. And I got macaroni. I got sugar. I got baby girl's pampers. This is the biggest one. Yeah, I got this one for her because this one will last her for like a month. Plus, and also got this air freshener for the toilet. So in that Mimiso shop, I got this thing. I want to use and put her hair care stuffs inside, like her hair care creams and the rest. Then I also got her this baby doll that she's liked, and that was it. That was all I got for this particular day. Then these are the packers I got from that shop that told me that I don't need to film their
What happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want.
So guys, welcome to the next day. Right now I'm eating my breakfast. I've become obsessed with this particular breakfast. Yeah, so I want to go visit a friend of mine that just gave birth. Yeah, so I'll be taking you guys along with me on today's vlog. This is today's on is just me going to visit my friend. We are going to be chatting and gossiping and the rest. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please, if you've watched this instead and you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
You can do anything you want. Follow the light if you're not sure. Listen to your gut. The right path might come when the time is right. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it, You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want.
Anna. Hello, I know you can see me. Open the door.
So guys, I just got to my friend's place. Me and baby girl just chillaxing. Her mom is trying to put baby back to sleep, and we're just relaxing for my friend to come out because she was quite busy when we came around. So yeah.
She got a body
body like a goddess. And she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest, I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. So come here, baby, listen close. You know what?
That's my side. Yes, that's my side. You know how I go.
The Meiji. See how she's smiling to the camera. Oh, she loves camera. The Meiji. The Meiji, take. The Meiji.
Don't make me ask you twice. Ooh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. Let's do what's right. I'm done being polite. Ooh, don't stay the night.